Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Okta tenant security with policies, full guide step by step clearly. To enable tenant security with policies in Okta, start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Security tab found on the main menu. From the Security tab, select Policies. In the Policies section, you will see various policy types. Click on the appropriate policy type you wish to modify or create a new one. To create a new policy, click on the Add Policy button. In the prompt that appears, provide a name and description for your new policy. Then, set the policy status to either active or inactive, depending on your needs. Choose the relevant groups or users this policy will apply to. Next, configure the specific rules for your policy. These rules may include password requirements, account recovery options, or multi-factor authentication settings. Adjust the criteria for when the policy should be enforced. Review the conditions such as location, device type, or user behavior. Once you have set your rules, click Save to apply your new policy. Next, test the policy by logging in with a user account that falls under the defined group. Verify that the policy requirements are enforced as expected during the login process. If necessary, revisit the policy settings to make any adjustments. Finally, ensure to communicate the changes to your users to facilitate a smooth transition. Regularly monitor the effectiveness of your policies through the Reports section. This will help identify any areas that may need further refinement. By following these steps, you'll enhance your Okta tenant security significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.